Alright, it's 10 after 4 in the morning. San Diego, everybody's concerned about my big hurricane coming through here and our tropical storm. And we're right in the middle of it right now. And it's supposed to hit at 1 a.m. and be done by 10. And so right now you go out here in the massive rainstorm we have, and we have nothing. There's your wind blowing like crazy. Yeah, sure. There's a big bust. They got a tropical storm warning out right now, and disaster area has been declared, so I can get all kinds of cheap rent, I guess, now, or something. Pretty good for cheap them people. Cheap loans. Yeah, take care of my hurricane damage, whatever the hell it is. Yeah, the sidewalk got wet, but not underneath the vehicle because there's no rain. It's just drizzle. Not even drizzling. I put my bags there in front of my door just in case. Whoopie-doo. I got the cardboard box isn't even wet yet. It's been raining for 3 hours. Yeah, it's raining my ass. So, put a couple boards in front of my door. Whoopie-doo. So, there's a big bust. They're claiming it's going to be 15-mile-an-hour winds. The wind was blowing earlier, about 5-8 mile an hour. Yeah, that blew through already. That was when the sun was still up. And so right now we got nothing. So, typical weather in San Diego. It doesn't do anything here. It blows around us. We only get 9 inches of rain here a year. Yeah, that's about all we get. And that's on the average. It's anywhere from 3 to 12. So, anyway. They're claiming 1.2 inches to 1.8 inches. Some other stations said 2 inches. They were claiming 3 inches 2 days ago. They're full of crap. The winds were supposed to be like 30 mile an hour, and it kept dropping down to 15, and so right now it's down to, yeah, blowing like crazy. So right now you look on the weather map, we're just covered with green clouds all over us. Yeah, whatever. It's been cloudy all day today, and there's no rain. We didn't start drizzling until about, thinking about when it started drizzling. It was a while ago. Probably something around 1 o'clock a.m. So there you go. San Diego's big storm. There we go. 4 o'clock in the morning. We'll see. The news stations don't start working until 5 a.m. The first one. To even see what the weather is, but I'm not expecting much. I don't see any rain out around here. Yeah, big bust. There you go. So, tropical storm warning, first one ever in San Diego in 130 years of record keeping. Yeah, there you go. There's your tropical storm warning. And a disaster area by the governor. What a fucking moron that guy is. So, yeah, give me some free cheap mortgage, because look at all this damage I have. I got leaves on the ground out here. Look at that, and massive water damage. There's footprints in the shop. Yeah, someone has bare feet. There you go. Typical California. So tomorrow I'm going to try to get some work done out here, because obviously nobody's going to be coming around because of the massive storm outside. So I'll be able to get some work done. Customers are going to be happy. Yeah. So there you go. Life in the big city. I'm in well dry and no problem. There you go. San Diego's massive rainstorm. Look at them clouds up there. Yeah, sure. There you go. Ooh, the focus went away. No, there's no focus. There you go. Focus, camera. Ah, there we go. Focus. See, that tree is not blowing. There is called zero wind right now. All right, that's it for tonight. I'll let you know tomorrow if we have anything. Here, I just come into the house, so here's what the weather report looks like right now. So I'm right in that blue area there. So I guess that little pocket right there is over in the middle right now, but this here was only no rain either, so whoopie-doo. So at some point this stuff down here will get here eventually. Yellow doesn't mean anything in the way of rain. Red ain't much better. There ain't nothing there to do anything anyway. It's blowing through it. Probably about a snail's pace, about 15 mile an hour looks like. So there you go. There's our massive rainstorm, tropical storm warning for San Diego. Yeah, wonderful. Oh well, there you go.